Hello and welcome to the 12th class of the Absolute Beginner Spanish course on SpanishIsGreat.com. We are going to learn some grammar, which is like how to talk, how to actually answer questions about intentions and objectives, not like why, because, in order to, or just to, whatever. Okay, so we are going to learn these basic structures, of course, basic, no? Structures to express intention, objective, goal, purpose, whatever. For this, we'll see the equivalence of English why, because of, in order to, or just to, etc. So we have three basic structures. The basic question, why, can be answered in several ways. So pretty much like these three basic structures that we are going to see. Of course, you can answer them in many other ways, but those require more knowledge that we still don't have, no? So for now, these three basic structures, no? Also in Spanish, the question ¿por qué? Will have different answers. Okay, so we see why, ¿por qué? Okay, so we have two words in Spanish, and of course, like this, like question mark at the beginning, no? Why, ¿por qué? Okay. The most natural answer in English will be why, because, whatever, no? Because, whatever. Which in Spanish is translated as porque. Okay, now you might be saying, oh my god, was like, why do you answer with the same thing? Actually, it's not the same thing, okay? This kind, we are going to talk about this like just now, no? This kind of answer requires a verb in the present tense, for now, okay? Later we can use other tenses, but for now. Okay, so for example, ¿por qué estudias español? Why do you study Spanish? Porque tengo familia en España. Because I have family in Spain. Okay, so ¿por qué? Porque. Then, of course, notice the difference between ¿por qué and porque. Not only about spelling, so we see, no? The difference. Because, I mean, also because this is quite a common mistake even among natives, even if it's quite easy, no? Like, but okay. So we see the question here, ¿por qué? There is a space, and then que has acento. And then porque is one word without acento. Okay? ¿Por qué? Porque. And then we also have to notice the difference in pronunciation, in the accent, no? Because here we say ¿por qué? ¿Por qué? Here we say porque tengo. So this doesn't have any accent. I mean, like any pronunciation, intonation accent, no? Porque tengo. The accent goes here in the next word. No, so ¿por qué estudias español? And we say porque tengo familia en España. Okay? So there's those two differences, like the spelling, por, two different words, and the accent here, que, and then the answer, porque tengo familia. Okay, so notice those two things. Like superficially, of course, they are quite similar, but there is a big difference, no? Another possible answer can be in order to, or just to, in English, no? That is, in Spanish, para whatever, which requires an infinitive, okay? And now, yes, of course, you might be thinking, no, like, well, the actual question for in order to would be something like what for? In Spanish, para qué? Okay? But okay, we understand each other, and of course, we sometimes answer para whatever, like for what, in order to whatever, to this why. No, of course, like why should be only answered with because, and for this in order to should be like what, blah, 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 for, or for what, whatever, no? Okay, but yeah, we also use this. So, for example, ¿por qué estudias español? Of course, it could be also ¿para qué estudias español? But para hablar con mi familia española. So here we see no tengo, present. Here, para hablar, infinitive. Okay? Para hablar con mi familia española. In order to talk with my Spanish family. Okay? And then the last structure would be the equivalent to English because of whatever in Spanish por plus noun or equivalent, no? So for example, ¿por qué estudias español? Por mi familia española. Because of my Spanish family. Okay? And we see that we don't have any verb here. No? So it's just like noun and adjectives, whatever, no? But nouns without verbs. Okay, so those are the three basic structures, the three basic ways in which we can answer to why we do something, no? So the summary here. The most frequent question is ¿por qué? Why? And the three most frequent answers have the following structures. Porque plus present, para plus infinitive, and por plus noun. Okay? ¿Y tú por qué estudias español? Try to use, as some kind of super tiny homework, try to use the three structures.